Hello students, today in this video I am going to discuss the question answers of Feathered Friend. Before I start discussing question answers, let me say the story in brief. Feathered Friend by Arthur Clarke is a science fiction. It is about a small canary named Claribel and how her existence in the space station saved many lives of the astronauts. The narrator is ignorant of any law that forbids pets on the space station. He says that if it were so, then also Sen would have ignored such law. It was Sen who carried the canary to the space station, and later on, because of the presence of the canary, it was detected that there was a major defect in air supply or oxygen supply in the space station, and because of that detection the lives of the astronauts were saved. Now from this story we have learned that the oldest and simplest solutions are better than expensive ones. Now let us discuss the question answers. This is the chapter. If from the chapter if you have any doubt, you will ask me. First, now let me discuss the question answers. The first question is, the little cubbyhole laughingly called my office. Why would it be laughingly called an office? An office is a room or building used for business or clerical job. The working place in the spaceship was a little cubbyhole, so it was laughingly called an office. Now, what is the meaning of this answer? Normally when we say about any office, we know it's a big building or a huge room like that, no? But here a very small place, a cubby hole like, and it was said as office. That's why it was laughingly said. Who was the unauthorized guest the narrator is talking about? Why was the guest unauthorized? The yellow canary was the unauthorized guest because in space station pets might not be allowed, and name of the canary was Claribel. How did the narrator feel that morning? What had gone wrong? The narrator was feeling sleepy, he had headache and felt discomfort with his straps. There was a major problem in the air supply or the oxygen supply in the space station. Describe how was Claribel instrumental in saving everyone's life in the space station. Claribel fainted, but when it was put to oxygen, it revived. The moment oxygen mask was removed, the bird fainted again, giving clear indication that there was a serious problem in air supply or oxygen supply. How does something as insignificant as a bird become invaluable in the story? This I gave you as your class work, isn't it? So you can write it in a very simple language that the bird being a canary, it's a small bird, but because of the problem faced by the bird, it was detected that there was a major problem in the air supply or the oxygen supply in the space station. So the little bird became instrumental in saving the lives of astronauts there in the space station. Now, would you hold Jim accountable for dereliction of duty? Jim, the engineer, was an important person in the space station. As he failed to find out the problem, so we can say that he was accountable for dereliction of duty. So, I think you have already learned all these question answers. Now, students, I suggest you to read the story once again, and if there is any queries, any doubt, you will ask me.